Hello 3 designers. Welcome to a quick materials tutorial teaching you how to take a photograph that you've either taken yourself or downloaded off the internet and turn it into a stone or material for rendering and mapping while you're designing. The first thing you need to do, of course, is take the photo or download the photo and prepare it in a third-party program. Adobe Photoshop, Paint, CorelDRAW, the list goes on and on. It has to be a JPEG or another image file. So after the image is prepared, you have to place it into a specific folder. On the C drive, in your users, choose your name, Y3K Jewel, and underneath the images you can place the JPEG. As you see, I've put an ammonite texture in, a Sleeping Beauty texture, and a spiderweb texture. Today we're going to work on the spiderweb texture and make a spiderweb turquoise material for rendering. Go back into 3Design and go into the material database. And from there we're going to go to user data, and I've already prepared another stone, Sleeping Beauty turquoise. Because the properties of Sleeping Beauty turquoise and spiderweb turquoise are very similar, I'm just going to create a copy of Sleeping Beauty turquoise and paste it into the opaque stones directory. Comes up as copy of Sleeping Beauty turquoise. I'm going to rename it spiderweb turquoise. That looks good. And now click on it and it brings me into the preferences. I'm going to go to color first and choose the little hand, and it brings me to that directory I just showed you, and choose the Sleeping Beauty, the spiderweb turquoise. Map it on, hit the eyeball, and gives me the preview. This preview here looks good. Diffuse light, internal light. Internal light would be used for a translucent stone or a transparent stone to allow it to come within. I'll give you an example. I'll turn off the diffuse light, turns the stone black. If I turn on the internal light, look at it again, it's lit from the inside. Now turquoise is obviously an opaque stone, so we'll keep the diffuse high and the internal low, and we end up with that look. Specular effect, specular and Phong. Give you some examples of what that does. Keep that around there. Turn Phong to here and all the way to there. We'll keep it on the side. Take a look at it. Looks pretty good to me. Transparency, obviously turquoise, opaque stone. Refraction is how the color play comes. Keep it kind of low on turquoise. And the reflection effect, reflection can go all the way to that. Turquoise not so high in its reflection. Okay. Shadows, we have more options. Show the background like this. You can change the shape to a box, stone, a ring, etc. We'll leave it at the box or at the ball. Looks good to me. And validate it. Next thing we'll do is go into the stone wizard, create a stone. We'll make it a cabochon. We'll make it fairly large. Bring it up like this. And for the material, we're going to choose the spiderweb turquoise that we just created. Click OK, and we see it. I'll just bring up the rendering studio and zoom in, do a quick rendering of this piece, small size, preview. And you see we've successfully mapped on a file that we've taken through a camera or downloaded off the internet, applied it to a surface, and made our own custom materials right here in 3Design. Thanks so much, and look forward to doing more of these tutorials.